Powerful Chinese secret to remove gallstones in just 7 days. Gallstones are hardened deposits of digestive fluid that form in your gallbladder, an organ underneath the liver that is responsible for storing bile, liquid that helps the body digest fats. Bile ducts are tiny tubes that carry bile from the liver to the gallbladder, then into the digestive system. Some people with gallstones experience no symptoms, but if they start to block the gallbladder, they can cause nausea and pain and lead to fatal infection. Moreover, they can stop the flow of bile out of the liver and gallbladder, which in turn cause jaundice. Lai Chunan is a Chinese doctor which found out an amazing natural recipe that helps to remove gallstones quickly, easily, and permanently. So, if you consider that you have gallstones, Dr. Lai recommends this method in order to remove the gallstones. The treatment lasts 7 days. The first 5 days, you should drink 4 glasses of apple juice a day, or eat 4 to 5 apples, it depends on you. Apple juice has the ability to soften the gallstones. During these 5 days, you need to eat normally. On the 6th day, you should not eat dinner. On this day, at 6 p.m. you should take 1 teaspoon of Epsom salts with a glass of warm water. At 8 p.m., repeat the same procedure. Epsom salt can open the failure of bile. At 10 p.m., you should take half a cup of olive or sesame oil with half cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Make sure to mix well and drink it immediately. The oil has the ability to lubricate the stones and facilitate their passage. On the 7th day, you will find green stones in your stool. In most cases, they float. You can also count them. Nan Chu says that there are people who found 40, 50, or even up to 100 stones. You can also try this natural therapy even if you do not have any symptoms of gallstones. Dr. Nan Chu says that it is always good to have your gallbladder clean.